Across every department, teams are using AI to communicate faster, smarter, and louder than ever. But when multiple teams are responsible for public content, marketing, investor updates, announcements, things get messy fast. Amateur AI tools and chats crack under complex workflows. Chat tools are tuned to users, not teams. They all use the same generic training data, and there's no way to add approved shared memory amongst team members. ProMode solves these problems. Custom closed-loop architecture built for collaboration and complexity. Fingerprint profiles are your shared drive of pre-approved training data. Raw fingerprint data is securely stored and never exposed to language models without approval. Anything in your workflow, from legislation to marketing strategy, can be added as source data. Everything in one place, AI-ready and pre-approved. Overlays sit on top of raw language models, acting as one-time default settings. Assemble your overlays by combining fingerprint training data plus your instructions on how the data should be used. Overlays can be used across multiple channels and teams, ensuring consistent messaging and seamless approval. Assemble your final output using an approved overlay by selecting a start date and channel for web, email, and social media. Whether it's email marketing, investor relations, or help desk articles, ProMode can handle it all. Agents hard-code the output from your custom design examples. It's consistency plus flexibility. When amateur AI tools break your workflow, it's time to go ProMode, LLM architecture for professional communicators.